Hola, wow, cuánta gente, qué ilusión. Hacía mucho tiempo que no venía al Primavera, toqué aquí hace 2 años. Primero, ¿todo el mundo me entiende en español? You understand in Spanish? Sí, ¿no? Sí. Bueno. Igual iré cambiando durante el concierto. Pero toqué aquí hace 2 años y me hace muchísima ilusión poder volver a estar aquí y tocar. Y también me hace ilusión poder como tocar en este escenario como más íntimo, porque soy una persona, estoy muy acostumbrada a tocar en una banda y a veces me hace un poco de vértigo cuando tengo que tocar sola, pero en verdad me doy cuenta cuando toco en escenarios así como más pequeñitos, no estoy sola, me siento más acompañada porque os veo las caras y es como que está más cercano. Entonces, quizás en algún momento os pido intervenir como banda, si os apetece y queréis ayudarme un poco, ya que estamos como experimentando con la impro. Acabo de hacer como una pequeña impro, que todos los shows de Etnia empiezan con la impro, y ahora voy a tocar canciones mías más antiguas. Y nada, espero que disfrutéis y que os guste. Perdón si os doy la espalda un rato. Till you showed up. I can feel your eyes on me as I look. I didn't realize how little love I had for myself till you showed up. I can feel your eyes on me as I look away. I don't know if I can come back now. Woke up with my hair ruffled by your love. Tengo que hacer equilibrios con estas botas, pero voy a seguir tocando canciones más antiguas. Esta canción es de mi último EP, se llama Get Her, y ahora voy con una que se llama No One Told Me, que también es de mi último EP.
Hostage, yet only I have the key to set me free, but nothing scarier than getting where I've always wanted to be. Es-tu prisonnier si c'est toi-même qui t'a enfermé, mais arrêtez de se saboter. C'est aussi dur que ça l'est, tout simple. No one told me that. No, no one told me that. And said no one told me that. No, no one told me that. Sing. Que dire, la sirène enlacée dans l'ennui, d'un hiver de corail, sous le toit des vagues, c'est dans le secret de fiançailles, entre l'aube et la nuit. 'Cause no one told me that. No, no one told me that. And said no one told me that. No, no one told me that. Si t'as enfermé, tu prisonnier, si c'est toi-même qui t'a enchaîné. Thank you.
Okay, now, I'm going to speak in English to make sure that everyone understands me. For this next song, I'm going to need a little help. It's the first time I ever do this, so we'll see. Oh, my nipple is showing, apparently. I'll cover that. But yeah, I'm going to need a little bit of help. So it's a new song that I released recently. It's called Jealousy, and it's about jealousy. I hope you guys haven't experienced that, but you probably have. And after the chorus, there's this moment where I have like some backing vocals that are kind of like battling each other. So I thought that maybe I would break it into two groups so you guys, can do a little a little parting, okay? And we can also do like a little parting in two groups. Yes? You can choose whatever group you're in. Exactly. Okay, so we're gonna make two groups. You guys are gonna be the ahs, and you guys are gonna be the oohs, and you guys are gonna like be battling each other. I'm gonna just gonna put a little bit so I know what tune it is. If I'm in tune, should be. Okay. So when I sing the chorus, it's something like this. It goes,
Where I look at her, looks at me. That's just how it goes, and we call it jealousy. We all go circles, about to go insane. That's just how it, and we call it jealousy.
that's the chorus. And after that little part, thank you. So you guys, the ahs, are just I'm gonna indicate in the song when that comes in. But it's very simple. You just repeat, ah. Can you guys do that? Ah. Good. So I do and you repeat, ah. Hey, okay. Let's do it a few times. Ah. 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 That's great. If any of you, lower voice people want to do, you can do that too. So, Amazing. You guys got it. Okay, so you guys hold on to that. I'm going to come back to you guys in a minute. Now the oohs, you guys have it a little bit easier. You just have to say, ah. Good. Ah. Good, another time. Ah. Okay, so now the difficult thing, not so difficult, is going to be for you guys to bounce off each other. So we're going to do ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. Amazing. Another time. Exactly. So I go.
Way I look at her looks at me. That's just how it goes, and we call it jealousy. We all go circles, but to go insane. That's just how it, and we call it jealousy.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, round of applause for you guys. That was insane. Okay, so I'm going to put the song. Probably my whole butt is showing, but you know what? Embrace it. It's summer. It's coming. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to play the song, and I'm going to indicate when it comes in. The first chorus, it doesn't come in, so don't feel left out if I don't ask you to sing. So I'm going to indicate when it comes in, okay? But thank you so much. That was so beautiful. I've always wanted to do that. Okay. Not yet. This is the intro. This is my moment.
Hey, you up there making problems out of thin air. Said enough. Haven't you said enough? This won't have any of us. I know whatever I tell you, you'll forget by tomorrow. If you only listen to what I say, voice in my head, I look at the mic, gotta look. Why do you gotta look? If we're
Now I'm gonna sing the chorus, and afterwards remember your parts, okay?
Way I look at her looks at me. That's just how it goes, and we call it jealousy. We all go circles, but they go insane. That's just how it, and we call it jealousy. Mira, mira que lo sé que no me he hecho nada, pero la odio. Es que yo ya la odio por cómo, y aunque yo no la quiera, tengo una vocecita dentro de mí que es una cansina y de celo. Contamina mi mente, siquiera soy yo consciente, pero por suerte medito un poquito, por si aquel ego. Way I look at her looks at me. That's just how it goes, and we call it jealousy. We all go circles, but they go insane.
The chorus comes again. I'll tell you guys when to come in. Now it's me.
Way I look at her looks at me. That's just how it goes, and we call it jealousy. We all go circles, but they go insane. That's just how it, and we call it jealousy. Oh, but it's nobody's fault. It's nobody's fault. So don't feel bad if you're caught up in that. Required to get to the root, pero no es culpa de nadie. culpa de nadie. No te sientas mal si te suele pasar. Solo pregúntate por qué.
That was amazing. Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys make a choice. Should I play a new song now or an old song? New song? Okay, we're going with another new song. Gonna need some water first. Called l'oseille, which in French means money. Yeah, it's just a song I wrote about not having money, but still pretending like I have money. Because I have designer clothes, designer bags, nice shoes, and so, you know, I'll get out of the house and wouldn't have money to get on the metro. So it's kind of about that dichotomy, you know. Sometimes I feel like nowadays, living in social media, I know I spend probably way too much time on social media. I make the mistake of comparing myself to other people and, you know, thinking like, oh, you know, if I had what they have, probably my life would be fixed. But you never know what's going on in someone's life behind closed doors and when they're not posting on Instagram. So yeah, when I was posting glamorous pictures on Instagram, I was really just very broke. Still am. Pay me if you want. No, here comes l'oseille. Àlex, podem pujar la base una miqueta? Merci.
How are we so many to barely own a penny? Yet instead of being honest, we pretend that we have plenty. No matter if they believe it, your delusion is a pity. Because who do you help looking so pretty while you're really starving in the city? Pas de l'oseille avec l'Asie, pas comme je l'avais prévu. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas le sou. Pas de l'oseille dans ma vie, quand même vous y avez cru. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous. je l'avais prévu. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous, pas d'oseille. Quand même vous y avez cru. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous, pas d'oseille avec la zik, pas comme je l'avais prévu. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous, pas d'oseille dans ma vie. Quand même vous y avez cru. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous, pas d'oseille dans ma vie. Il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous. Pas d'oseille avec la scie, alors que j'ai tout vendu. Quand on n'a pas de sous, pas d'oseille avec la scie, alors que j'ai tout vendu. Mais il faut pas jouer les riches quand on n'a pas de sous.
Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, okay. Okay, I think we still have time, so I'm gonna play the old song that you guys chose not to play earlier. I'm gonna play it now. It's a song called No News is Good News. It's one of my favorite songs I've ever written, ever. And I thought, now in the new songs that I'm making, it's the first time that I'm producing with other people, but in the past, I produced everything on my own and wrote everything on my own. Thank you. And yeah, I thought I would like break up the song a little bit for you guys so you guys understand all the layers that went through it. And yeah, I'm gonna just break it down. So we start with chapter number 1, which are just the claps. I know I've made you guys clap a lot tonight. This is the last time, I promise. Let's go. Easy, just... Easy, you guys got it. Okay, last one. Okay, alive, this is the last one. Perfect. That was the very first thing I did, you know. Pretty self-explanatory. After that, my specialty. Vocals.
No news is good news. 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 No news is good news.
Those are the vocals. Thank you. Okay. Okay. After the vocals came the percussions. I love percussion. I usually, when I play with a band, I play with 2 Senegalese percussionists, and I love them to bits. And for this song, I recorded them. I first added, I'm gonna show you guys. First added this like percussion on myself, it's like little digital percussion. And then I recorded them on the real drums, which those are the drums. And then the last bit, as the daughter of a bass player, I could not have a track without a bass. According to him as a whole, you know, it's the most important thing. So This one's for you, Dad. Yeah, the last bit was the bass, so it goes a little bit like this. Kind of. Okay, and now the last bit is just for me to play the song, which is exactly what I'm going to do.
No news is good news. 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 I don't know if I can forget her. Every time I go get her, she goes out in the street and leaves me home with her favorite sweater. And I was supposed to spend the night. Sorry, I forgot to let you know. I really don't wanna fight. Just left my phone on flat. I know there's something going on tonight, and I don't wanna seem impolite, but I'd just rather stay home, 'cause I already know how it's gonna go, and I don't think I'm better than anyone. I just choose what to do with my time. See you next week, but in the meantime,
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna play my last song now. Oh, you guys are too nice. Come on, there's a lot to see tonight. What are you guys most excited about to see tonight? I didn't hear anything. You for who? You? Me? Nah. There certainly is someone else. Okay, well, I'm gonna play my last song called Destiny. But before playing that, I'm gonna do like a little beat that I made on like this probably weird thing for all of you. For me, my little baby, my little sampler. Yeah, I'm gonna try maybe to turn so I'm not, so you guys are not always seeing my butt all the time. But yeah, thank you guys again. You guys have been wonderful. This has been such a nice, incredible stage and experience. Thank you. Thank you so much. I guess this is how supermodels feel like. Feels so tall. It's amazing. Can't go down there again. Pots pujar una miqueta, Àlex, també? Per aquí? it off. Well, I'm gonna turn. Oh fuck! I'm gonna sing the rest of the song a cappella. Sorry. So dumb. Okay. Well, here it goes.
And it took you 3 years to finally hold my hand. That's why you didn't have a plan. And it took you 3 years to finally hold my hand again. That's why you couldn't be my man. But this morning I wrote you a letter. I want to stay with you forever. What will it take to stay together? If I can't relate to you, it's so ever. Thank you.